Hi, welcome to Laura's Pandora. Today I'm going to show you how I made these Yoshi eggs. So my son is having a birthday here soon and he wanted a Mario Brothers birthday party. So I thought it would be kind of fun to do a treasure hunt and make a bunch of different objects, paper mache objects from Mario Brothers, the video game, and stuff them full of candy and toys and stuff like that, and then have the kids just go at it into a park and find one of these items. So this first item is a Yoshi egg. And so what you're going to do is you're going to blow up a balloon, a pretty large size balloon. I'm sure you could probably make them smaller if you didn't have very much candy or toys or something like that. But I blew it up to this size, and then you get some Elmer's glue. And I should have used white Elmer's glue instead of this clear Elmer's glue, but it still works just fine. You just have to use a little bit less water when using clear Elmer's glue. So you're going to put Elmer's glue in a bowl and then some water, about half and half glue-wise, and then cut up some square newspapers and start dipping it into the watery glue paste and then placing it on the balloon. And before you do that, you're going to tie a string around the knot area so that you can easily hang this balloon to dry flat. If you just place it on a plastic surface, this balloon, after you'd paper mache it, you'll have one end that's flat. So the string helps it make it completely round all the way around. All right, so you're just gonna paper mache, and let it dry overnight. So this is the first layer. Then the second layer, I used toilet paper. So you're going to use the same solution, the Elmer's glue and water, and you're going to dip strips of toilet paper into that and place it on the egg. And I've noticed that it was easier to kind of put the glue paste on the layer first and then lay the toilet paper on that. Then using a water spray bottle sort of thing, you're gonna damp it all the toilet paper to make sure it's completely wet and saturated with that glue paste. Okay, then you're going to hang it and let it dry overnight again, and this will create this hard coat surface, also kind of the texture of an egg. Okay, then the last thing you're going to do is you're going to cut. Okay, so you're going to cut a little slit from the balloon. And then you're going to paint the outside white and let it dry, and then paint green spots for the Yoshi decoration. So I did a lighter green and then I did a darker shade green to add some more texture depth to it, and added some more white paint. And what you're gonna do is you can just stuff the egg full of different candies or toys. You can close it off with some white duct tape or some leftover paper mache balloon part. And that is how I made this cool Yoshi paper mache egg. Now I realized with this tutorial that you could easily do any kind of decoration on this egg and create your own kind of Easter egg hunt with giant, large eggs. And it could be pretty fun. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos like this.